n'ibindi bigambiriro mu rukiko rubereremo minisita wa gavumenti z'ebyanga, minisita w'Abashuubuzi hamwe na minisita wa za Kanyabwenge hamwe no kuhabura ihanga. Bamwe abashuubuzi ntibajyangwa akatare k'ibyenyanja kayicere kuba kagaruka mu ihanga rya Congo.
Ati batukore ikintu cyo kugira ngo abantu samaki ibyenyanja bigaruka babiteka mu stoza abakongore bagumane baruga kuri seri nibiza kugura kuno bokuba ni turuga tugrese seri tugura ye gonja tugura yo n'amazita gazi ati batukore echo akatani nikaza kuba kurungi hataruho umutagana guno.
Henry Bambale all chairman w'Abashuubuzi nawe yonje kugamba achikwati n'akatare k'ibyenyanja mu ihanga rya Congo.
Fish traders all relocated to Congo. I do not want to mince my words. The market you will be opening very soon is simply a structure with no business people. That market is predominantly a fish market.
Godfrey Kabyanga all minister wa Kanyabwenge hamwe no kaburi ihanga nagira ngo abatura binji nkirebekana baganyerwa mu kataraka.
But once the fish is offloaded in Congo, then it implies we shan't have any person here in this market. Because if you came yesterday, the market was full. Now it is empty because there is no business there.
Because we are not, our stores are not working, our unemployment, all employment has gone across. So, where shall we get money for building the roads that we want?
Rafael Magezi, minisita wa gavumenti z'ebyanga nagira ngo tari kwija kwikiriza muntu wena okushisha akatare k'ibyenyanja.
We are going to solve this problem. And we are not going to accept commodities of Uganda which keep flying over the market. Let them be offloaded here. These people come and buy them from our market. Then my town can get some money.
Akataraka na one stop center bimazireho billion 25 kandi mukuru w'ihanga no kwija katongoza arwakasha turesabit erkwija gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.